Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel and this is your April 2nd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Yes, so let's see, your cards are already out. If you would like to know more about personal bookings with me, audio video call sessions or rituals, please stay till the end. Let's begin. You have got the 8 of Spades and the Lover's card for your love life. Well, I do see that there is some sort of overthinking which is going on, causing you sleepless nights as well. You're not able to sleep properly or focus on anything. Now, there are two things that are happening over here for two different completely people. For two completely different people. I just realized that I said something wrong. Yes, so two completely different set of people. One is single and the second one is people who are in relationship and married. So let's see what is the first message. For singles, I do see the overthinking is because you have a lot of options to choose from. Yes, you have got a lot of offers, a lot of proposals, and a lot of matrimonial decisions to make. You are confused as to which option to choose because maybe you're finding everyone very attractive or each one of them is so good or well settled that you don't know which one to choose. And this is actually causing you a lot of stress because maybe there is a timeline or a deadline that you have to follow, or maybe you're getting a lot of pressure from your peers or your family as well, or maybe from this person to like make a decision right away. So this is the week where you will be making that decision. You will be choosing one partner out of all those options that you have. The second group is the people who are either in a relationship or are married. The message for you is that the kind of overthinking that you are doing is not healthy because this is regarding a third party. I know that a lot of you are getting that feeling intuitively that your partner is cheating on you, or maybe you already know that they are. This is causing you a lot of stress. You don't know whether to stay with them anymore or to move on. Now, I will leave that decision on you whether you want to stay or you want to move on, because there are a lot of set of people who have their own, baggages and children, and they don't want to leave each other, right? So, if you are the kind of person who is stuck in that situation where they are too dependent on their partner in some way or the other, and you don't want to leave, it is up to you. But the others, I think you will be walking away from this connection when you find out about the third party. So, yes, I do see that kind of overthinking happening where there is a third party situation. Now, the third party is usually not the family or you know, the friends that is affecting this relationship. This kind of lover's card means that there is a love lust energy involved where either your partner is intimately involved with somebody or has fallen in love with somebody else, right? So you have to make a choice, I think, and that is causing you a lot of stress in the second week. In your career, you've got the prophetess, the three of stars, and the emperor. Now I do see that you are trying to make a change in your career as well. It can be that you want to take a new job offer or change your field altogether, or you want to go for higher studies, or you want to start a business. There is something that you need to start, but you also know that you will have to end something or separate from something. Maybe this job takes you away from your family, right? Maybe it's in a different location, or you have to end your job because you want to go for higher studies, or you want to have to be, be or stay away from your not be or stay away from your family because you're going abroad for higher studies. It is that kind of decision basically for which you have to end something, and then only this thing can begin. Now it is too big a risk to take. You must be wondering, I don't know whether I should be taking this or not, because I don't know if, today is not my best day. I'm making this, I'm not speaking right in any of the videos, by the way, so today is not my best day. But having said that, your reading is quite accurate. You have got the emperor card here, which means the choice that you are very scared to take in your career is going to bring a lot of balance into your life, a lot of stability into your life, like a lot of peace, right? Because you have been stressing this for a very long time, or because maybe you are not in the best place, best career, or the kind of things that you're passionate about, you're not able to do that. So this card talks about that, yes, that risk that you're planning to take, or that move that you're planning to make in your career will be very, very good for you. It will bring a lot of emotional balance, financial stability, and a lot of authority as well. So you will be in a position where you will have a lot of people under you. You will be, giving orders, and uh, people will be listening to you. You will be commanding respect, right? So people will have that kind of fear and authority. That position that you have will have some sort of power over other people. So yes, that move that you want to take, whether that's a new company you want to join, or that position that you want to take, or that higher studies that will result favorably for you, or that business, it will put you in this position right now, here, right? So it will put you obviously in a much better position. So I will say that go for it. This is a very good time for it. And yes, your personal life might not be as great, but for singles, it definitely is. I do see it's a mixed batch for you guys, but yes, I think overall, if we say, it is going to be a huge, huge decision making week for you. So I hope you make the wise choices. I do listen to this video so that you can take some sort of guidance from this. And if you would like to have and know about your future like this, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Ignore the stuttering, the whatever, the mix up of the words, but yes, I do mean and I do have your best interest. So take care of yourself. For booking a reading or ritual with me, email me or DM me. Everything is mentioned in my description box. Extremely budgeted and cheap rituals and readings. Contact me soon. I will be waiting. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.